मैं कोमोलिका तो नहीं लग रही हूँ ना? थिन तनक थिन थिन तनक थिन. Hey guys, this is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to wear for my friend's engagement. So Krishna is getting engaged. Few of you, I think so, know already. He is there in few of my vlogs, I guess. I have to leave, I think so, in another hour or something. I'm so sorry, Krishna. I might be late.
Please forgive me.
I'll be there on time. I'll try to be there on time. As you know by the title itself, this format is Get Ready With Me. So basically, talking about this format, whenever you're going somewhere or anything like that, you shoot everything, what you're gonna do as a makeup, your outfit and shoes, and you post that, you share it with your people. So yeah, you know the drill, right? So let's just jump into the video. This is how my skin looks without makeup, guys. Sita Geeta have visited me but have made peace with them. Putting my fringes back away from my face because obviously it is annoying. And then hydrating my lips with my favorite lip balm. Moving ahead with skincare. For my base, I'm using Bobbi Brown's Vitamin Enriched Face Base and spreading it all over my face, and this will act as a primer as well. And as SPF, I'm using Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream Moisturizer with SPF 30 and again spreading it all over my face including my neck. For my base makeup, I'm using Maybelline New York's Dream Velvet Mousse Foundation and spreading it all over my face using my fingers. And later on, I'll take a foundation brush and will even it out to make it look flawless and clean. I am making sure to spread it everywhere, like corner of my nose, lips, on my neck and also on my eyelid. This product is, guys, very good. It's very light on skin as it has moussey texture and also it's medium to full coverage. I have spoken about this product in my cheap product worth buying. I'll pin it here. You can go and check it out. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30 Honey and will put it just on my Sita, Geeta and Babita, bracket me my pimples, and will dab it using my fingers. For baking and setting my base, I'm using Pond's Talcum Powder. Again, a life-changing discoveries, guys. It's very cheap, easily available, and it gets your job done in no time. I'll put it under my eyes, on my T-zone, and yes, it went inside my nose. Here is me making funny faces. Awesome. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm using Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 02 Dark Brown, and I won't start blabbering again how important shaping your eyebrows are. So again, my ladies, if you haven't started doing it yet, then try, please. And now dusting off the Access powder on my face. And please handle my dance moves. That's it, Akanksha. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using Maybelline New York Blush Nudes eyeshadow palette and I'm taking one pink color and putting it all over my eyelid. You guys already know I don't experiment much when it comes to eyeshadow because I'm scared that I'm gonna mess it up, especially on such occasions. If you're sitting at home, you can go and experiment, but not on such days. And also I'm taking the silver color from the same palette and putting it on my inner corner to give it that highlighting pop. For mascara, I'm using Smashbox Super Fan Mascara and I'll put it on my eyelashes to make my tiny eyes look big and beautiful. Kajal, I'm using Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal, everyone's regular Kajal. And as I said earlier, I don't feel, Indian makeup is complete without Kajal. It enhances your eyes and it makes you look so nice and beautiful. And yeah, also finish up your Kajal till your outer corner and take it a little bit above your eyelid because in that way it will shape your eyes. So for blush, I'm using Kiko Milano's blush and look guys, it is so pretty and I'll put it on the apples of my cheek to give a splash of youth and freshness to my face. Moving on to highlighter, I'm using Maybelline New York's Face Studio Master Strobing Stick in the shade pink and I'll put it on the high points of my face, like on my cheekbone, on my brow bone, on the bridge of my nose, and also on my collarbone. Moving on to lipstick, I'm using Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gulabe, and I am in love with this color, guys. It is so pretty.
सोनिका, इधर आओ ना। ये लिपस्टिक सही लग रही है, कोई डार्क लगाओ।
सही लग रही है।
कोई डार्क कलर लगाओ।
डार्क कौन सा?
ये जो है कोपेनहेगन है।
दिन है ना, तो ये
हाँ।
बहुत ज्यादा चमकेगी।
हाँ क्या? छोड़ो जाने दो। हाँ मुझे मिल गई। अभी इधर आओ बस। बहुत बड़ी है यार।
वो डायमंड वाली।
मैं कोमोलिका तो नहीं लग रही हूँ ना? थिन तनक।
Suddenly I realized that I forgot to set my makeup, so I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water to set my makeup on place.
तो मैं बिल्ली जैसी लग रही हूँ।
झेला नहीं जाता है यार ये सब।
ये फ्रिंजेस ना?
फ्रिंजेस नहीं, कुछ भी बाल वाल नहीं झेले जाते हैं मेकअप।
सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है बाय द वे। फिर बोलोगी मुझे बताती नहीं हो रिकॉर्ड कर रही होती बताओ।
तो मैं थोड़ी आ रही हूँ, आवाज आ रही है।
आपकी बातें पहले भी आई थी। क्रंच के लिए ये चेन मेरा निकालने का प्लान नहीं है। मैं सोच रही हूँ
मैं तो
इसके पीछे छुपा दूंगी। ये बहुत सुंदर है, कुछ मेरा नहीं है।
छुप क्या करेगा? बीच में खोल। अरे उसमें तेरा दिख रहा है।
थोड़ा टाइट करना पड़ेगा,
और टाइट।
मतलब झूल जा रहा है ना वो।
बहुत सुंदर है ये। यार लाइट कम हो गई। कितना टेंशन। कृष्णा, you should better treat me later for all these efforts. साड़ी पहनते हैं। So this is how it looks, guys. साड़ी का मैं फुल लुक दिखाती हूँ। मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं इनको ना कर्ल कर लूँ, so they will look better, I think so. Let's try. कर्ल का प्लान ड्रॉप हो गया क्योंकि अभी समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं इसको कैसे कर्ल करूँ या स्ट्रेट करूँ। फ्रिंजेस को okay, हो गया।
For my hair, guys, I was very confused that what I should do with this look, but then we decided to keep the fringes like as it is and make a ponytail behind.
ठीक है, अभी ये मुझे थोड़ा जम रहा है जो भी हुआ है ये। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि फ्रिंजेस नहीं अच्छे लगेंगे एथनिक में, बट या दे लुक गुड। आई मीन इट्स ओके, इट्स जस्ट हेयर गाइस। दे लुक गुड इन एवरीथिंग। यू शुड जस्ट नो हाउ टू पुल इट ऑफ, आई बिलीव। क्योंकि अब तक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मुझे इसे पीछे करना पड़ेगा, हेयर स्प्रे लगा के सब सेट करना पड़ेगा, बट नो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। दिस लुक्स गुड। इसमें तो जा ही नहीं रही। इसमें भी नहीं जा रही, कैसे, क्या हो गया भाई? So yeah guys, this is the final look. It's a video, by the way. Hi.
Say hi to your vlog.
Say hi to. It's not a vlog, by the way. You could have done that.
Content.
That's about it for the today's video, guys. I hope you like it. I think this look turned out really good. I'm very happy with it. By the way, this saree is from Myntra, I guess. It doesn't belong to me basically. I borrowed everything from Sonika. Earrings, neck piece, sari, blouse, shoes, everything. Everything belongs to Sonika. But I'll mention everything down below in the description box. उनसे पूछ के कि कहाँ से खरीदा है. And yeah, if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.